Hello again. This is the tutorial for location. This trick unfortunately does require a setup. You need to have the ace through king of one suit. Doesn't matter which suit. I chose the spades because I like the spades the most. And what you need to have is have the cards ace through king, or on the bottom like this: king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then ace. That's how you have to have it. That's all you need. Now when performing this trick, you have to be careful not to shuffle the deck, not to do any riffle shuffles or any sort of shuffles. If you do, make sure it's a false shuffle, or do false cuts, which is what I usually do. Just do something like that, or another type of false shuffle, or a false cut, I mean. But you want to make sure that you don't disturb the order on the bottom, the ace through king, because if you do, then you pretty much cannot do the trick. So what you do is have the spectator select a card. Say they choose this one right here, right there, the 7 of clubs. Okay, I'm gonna put it right on top of the deck, and either you can do this or have the spectator do this. Either way, it doesn't matter. But you can. Mostly, it's better if you have the spectator do it, just because then it seems more magical, I guess you could say, because you're not really touching the cards, because they're cutting the cards the entire time. But you have to make sure that they do just straight cuts, just like this. You can't do like the multiple cuts like that, or you can't shuffle it. Just make sure you just do straight cuts like this, just like that. You can do that as many times as you want. Just make sure you don't do like that type of cut or anything. Just keep going like that, and then once you're done, or once the spectator's done, you can just you grab the deck, kind of peek at the bottom card, then you say okay, and then you go like this, and you say okay, now I'm gonna cut the cards a few times, and you keep doing this until you see a spade at the bottom. So right there, once you see that the spade or one of the cards from the suit that you used, so since there's a 7 of spades, you can say okay, I know that your card is the 7th card down from the top of the deck, and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right there. How it is there's the ace, there's the 2, there's the 3, 4, 5, 6. Simple as that. Because what you're doing is when you're cutting the deck, because you have the ace on the bottom, you put the 7 on top. So when you cut it right here, you'd be putting the ace right on top of that, on top of their card. So you just keep doing like that. So then you just keep cutting the deck. Just keep going like that for however long you want to. And then see, you don't know, like this would be face down, but then if you look, you see okay, the ace is on the bottom, so that means that their card is the first card down. So if this card is on the bottom, it's the first, and then the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are all self-explanatory. Jack would be 11, queen would be 12, and king would be 13. So that's the trick. It's a pretty good trick. I like doing it. Just it's hard to do sometimes because it requires a setup. But yeah, that was location. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.